We are RideCell, and we build the technologies and solutions that power the digital transformation and automation of fleets. You've likely already invested in managing your fleet with connected telematics, cameras, and management systems that help you make sense of data coming from your drivers and vehicles. But what happens when your systems discover something critical that needs attention now? With RideCell Fleet Automation, your fleet insights are translated into actions to help resolve issues immediately and automatically. Ready to turn insights into action? Here are some possibly familiar scenarios from your fleet's digital transformation journey and how automation can help. Keeping your vehicles roadworthy is a top priority, but what happens when that pesky malfunction indicator light turns on? With automation, you can check the health of each vehicle before a driver's shift even starts and automatically decipher what the check engine light means and then schedule the repair. The driver notices no downtime. They're automatically issued a digital key to the backup vehicle and can quickly be on their way. All your fleet management systems provide valuable insights, but are you suffering from notification overload? Every day, you receive hundreds of notifications, leaving you to sift through and prioritize what needs attention now. Automating processes turns fleet management insights into automated workflows. Fleet automation becomes even more powerful when you add telematics for keyless vehicle entry. With keyless technology, your vehicles are far more secure than if you use physical keys. With keyless access deployed across your fleet, you can automatically detect if a vehicle is moving and whether an authorized driver is present, and prevent theft by digitally immobilizing that vehicle. Our industry-leading customers are already improving their operations with the RideCell automation platform. Imagine what we can do for your fleet. This was a quick introduction into the power of fleet automation, but there's so much more you can do. Interested in building a better fleet future with RideCell? Visit ridecell.com for more information.